Hello everyone. The Hawks have revealed that the PhalaPhala scandal is being assessed by NPA. Former intelligence boss Arthur Fraser laid a criminal complaint against President Cyril Ramaphosa for the alleged theft of millions in foreign currency from his PhalaPhala farm in 2020. He claimed that the suspects were subsequently kidnapped, interrogated, and paid off to keep silent on the matter. However, Cyril Ramaphosa has since denied any wrongdoing. It's been over a year since Fraser laid criminal charges against Ramaphosa for the PhalaPhala saga, and the NPA has still not decided on whether to prosecute. Hawks head Godfrey Libeya said that they continue to take more statements. He said currently we have got no less than 128 statements that have been obtained. However, he said the NPA must play a role in the investigation. He said you will understand that when we conduct this investigation, we don't want to do it alone because at the end of the day, we are not the ones who are going to make the final decision. So they are going to make the final decision, so they are busy assessing the case. Last year, Parliament found that there was a prima facie case for the president to answer on the matter but decided not to refer the report to an impeachment committee. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.